Meet Duquesa at North Central Shelter. Duquesa's ID is A1430957, and this perfectly behaved, sweet girl is a 5-year-old German Shepherd mix. She weighs in at a perfect size as well, only about 42 pounds. She is so calm and sweet. Her handler said she's amazing on leash. We've had her off leash in the yard here, and she's also been just wonderful. We love this dog. She has been here since October 12th, which is stunning to us that she has not found her way into a home. As you can see, she just likes affection, hangs out calmly. She's been noted as being a little shy, but we haven't noticed that too much today. But she might be, if you're looking for a more gentle, calm dog, this is the girl for you. She would love exercise like most dogs, but mostly it seems like she's a dog that'd be happy to hang out by your side and play in the yard and do some good long neighborhood walks or hikes. Like I said, she seems really well behaved. I wouldn't even suggest her needing a ton of training. She came in as an owner surrender. The owners gave no reason for surrendering her, and we really can't think of a reason why anybody would give up this wonderful dog. Duquesa's already spayed, so she could go home with you today. We think she'd be a great family dog, good with kids based on her disposition. She's just an all-around amazing dog, and we're surprised she's been here so long. So please come to North Central Shelter today to adopt or rescue the fantastic and gorgeous, look at her, she's gorgeous, Duquesa. Her A number again is A1430957. You're a good girl.